Paul from Blue Jeans Media. Just a quick video. How to change your Twitch profile username if you haven't already done it. You have to wait a certain amount of time. I'm not sure. I'm going to do how often change Twitch username. There's a stipulation. I should have done this before. Sorry. Every 60 days, right? So you can't change it too often. I've tinkered with mine a little bit. That's why I knew there were stipulations. So if you've changed it in the last 60 days, you're not going to be able to do it. But then if you've changed it, you probably wouldn't be watching this video on how to change your Twitch username, would you? Unless you forgot. But anyway, here we're going to go up to, your channel. So my channel up here, Paul Nicholson Go. I'm going to switch to Happy Me Games. So I'm going to go up to my profile. If I click on my profile picture there, profile, and then just scroll down, edit this. You have to put your Twitch password in, or you're gonna get. So I don't know if you can do it in capitals. No, it's just all lowercase in it on Twitch. Happy Me Games. Oh, maybe you can. It's just telling me. Can you do it in? Oh yes, you can do it in capitals. Happy Me Games. Update, enter your password again. Yeah, I was the Drink with Paul Nicholson Go. But now I'm Happy Me Games because that's my YouTube channel. Got it. You're going to get an email. Twitch username update. Looks like you recently updated. So if you get an email and someone's changed your username, you might have been hacked. But now my username at the top is Happy Me Games. Come give me a follow. I'm going to start doing some live stuff. But hopefully that was easy enough. Basically, hit your profile picture, scroll down, edit your game, change your display name if you want, and put a bio, which I'll do later. But just a really quick video helping you understand. But like it says there, if you've done it in the last 60 days, you were probably not watching this video, but you can't do it anyway.